Laksan mo.
Andito po. Here. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Makinasal. And now, I will demonstrate how to eat here in Makinasal. First, we will make a sausawan. First, we'll get toyo. Lagyan natin ng maraming toyo. Next, kalamansi. Gamit ka pala yun. Then, kalamansi. After, kalamansi. Next is vinegar or zuka. Then, stir it with your finger. Lagyan natin
Tikman mo.
sili. Then, let's make lisada sili para masarap. Then, dito naman tayo sa ating malaking plate.
Tikman mo muna.
Tikman muna natin kung masarap.
Nakakailang kanin ka na.
This is my, pangalan ba ito? This is my for rice. Before eating the rice, first, we must put the chicken. After, we spread it. Spread it. Mix it some more, and you will get some chicken. Chicken ito po, sa apat na rice, ito pa lang ang chicken ko.
Rice pa lang ang kinakain.
Wala pang kanin lang ito. Then, after, let's make sausaw. So, our sausawan. Then,
Taste it. Come on.
then let's make the rice. Then, push it to the mouth.
Lahat po kami tapos na kumain. Tapos na. Si Ernie na lang natitira.
Simula pa ng guys.
May pa more. At ito ang aking libre Coke. Brought to you by Coca-Cola.
Go.
So much for that.
Napakamasarap. Bye-bye.
Napakamakasarap.
Ano?
Napakamakasarap. Sigurado.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.